Hi, welcome to our channel. It's called Under Our Roof. My name's Haley, and my fiance Cody and I, we bought this outdated house, and as you can see by the inspiration, we wanted to make the house more modern. This is what I'm hoping our living room will end up looking like. So this is the start of the living room transformation. I was so proud of myself. I knocked down this, it was like a coat closet right by the front door. I knocked it down to the studs, and then Cody came out and knocked the rest of the studs out. And this is something we kind of decided last minute of, let's make a fireplace. So it's just an electric fireplace with the fake flames. It looks a little better in person. And then it does actually give out some heat. Then we went to Home Depot and got some, I think it's called slate tiles. So they're kind of like a stone look. This is Cody making the mantle. So if you saw in our kitchen renovation video, which is what I posted previously to this, it's gonna match. We had to make like a fake beam, and so it has this raw wood, which I need your guys' opinion on if you like it. If you don't, I like it, but I'm hoping the wood mantle and the wood beam, that they both kind of go enough that I can keep it this color. And then I'm just adding the grout to the fireplace. Oh, and then here you can see it was a popcorn ceiling, and then I got the job of plastering over all of the popcorn ceiling, so now it's a lot more smooth. And then instead of replacing the fan, and just sprayed it all black, made a huge difference. And then I don't know if this is really necessary, but Cody rolled out, it's like a waterproofing rubber coating before we did the tile. And then I am showing you too kind of the walls. We had painted most of it white, and it was kind of like a bluish gray beforehand. And now we're just hanging the TV. So this is just a terrible, tragic story. Cody started laying the tile with the wrong, this is like glue that you would do, I think, with like vinyl flooring, and it just stunk so bad, and it was so sticky. I don't know what we were thinking, because it didn't look right, it didn't smell right. He's laid tile before. Maybe we thought it was a new technology. I don't know, but he got a ton of it done. It was so bad. So we had to rip it all up. Our shoes were sticking to it. It was so sticky, never drying. And we stayed up really late this night just cleaning up all of this mess. But I kept it in here because I didn't get any other footage from the ground because I was so frustrated with it. But that's the truth of what happens during these renovations, especially when you're doing it yourself. But got it done, got it cleaned up, got the right stuff. And then the next day I filled all the grout. I did all the grout lines. See the big problem with the couch, those bottom cushions sticking up like that. So I had to take it back to the furniture store, get a different couch. The springs were messed up in it. So that's another real part of doing all these renovations. It's never perfect. Then I'm just showing a little bit of the deep cleaning that I did. So this grout, since it is a lighter grout and a lighter tile, it got so filthy through all this renovation. So I'm just getting a little mixture going, and then I needed to scrub these floors for it to really be complete and start moving furniture in. So this is just a scrub attachment for the drill. And you can see, the dirty water coming off of it. So it needed to be done. This might be kind of weird to some people, but I keep blankets on the cushions of the couch just because since the dogs are allowed to get up on the couch, I like to be able to take them off and wash them weekly or any time that I think it needs a little extra wash. I can't take the couch cushions apart because of how like the stuffing is on the inside, so that's not really an option, but just ripping the blankets off and on is what's working best so far for me. So if you think it looks a little weird, I kind of agree, but it does work well with washing. Oh, and then the white pillows on the couch, I had just gotten, it's the same pillows that came with the couch. If you saw in the other clips, it came with like an orange cover, and I don't care for orange. So I got a white pillowcase from, I want to say like Wayfair or Amazon, and then just put it over the pillow. Here's a reminder of what it looked like looking towards the kitchen beforehand, and now it just looks like a much bigger, more modern space. So make sure to go back and watch our kitchen renovation video and subscribe to see more. I'm going to be posting next our decorating video of how I decorated the living room and the kitchen. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a nice comment.